Okay, Language Explorer. So let's look at today's noun, today's Monday noun. So part. Some, but not all of something. So this part belongs here. I take a part of it. A piece of a larger thing. So this machine has a lot of parts we can change and replace. A machine has a lot of parts that we can change and replace. Yes, how cool is that? This is an important part of the movie. This 5 minutes is important. Pay attention now. This 5-minute part of the movie is important. That part of the clock is vital. It needs it to work. Very important. Which parts are least useful? These parts are most vital. I think those parts were the most expensive. That part, these parts. Yes. So here we are, like this is part of a machine. This is a part from the machine. Yes, very good. Aha. So we have part, so like singular, one, singular, and parts, so like 2 plus, plural. Plural. Yeah. These parts are important. That part is not needed. That part is not needed. Listen carefully to this part of the song. Did you write this part of the novel? Who wrote this part of the story? I wrote all the parts of the story. I wrote all the parts, 100%. All of them. Yeah. How cool is that? And I will be editing this part of the book. This part of the book needs... See, this part of the book needs changing. This part of the book needs tweaking. I like this part, but not that part. See, I like this part of the book. This chapter works really well. But that part, that chapter, not so much. Those parts are quite good. How cool is that? So she might be going to read that part. They will be singing the difficult part of the song together. They will be singing the difficult part of the song together. She will be dancing alone to that part of the song, for example. So here's the whole thing and a part. Yes, a small piece of a larger thing. Some, but not all of something. Small part. How cool is that? So we have part and parts. A small part, loads of parts. I have a small part in the story. She has a small part in the movie. They only have small parts in the song. How cool is that? So part, yeah. So can you, Language Explorer, use part in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And subscribe to me to YouTube, like me on Facebook, and watch me and follow me on Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy when you search Adrian Nanchev. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.